Everybody, it's Dr. Petrowski, and I am really excited to tell you about a new program that we are offering here at Transformations Medical Weight Loss in conjunction with Robart Corporation, a company that I have worked with and trusted for over 15 years. We are now offering supplements and a meal substitution program. We understand what a difficult time this is, where there's just so much uncertainty, where you don't really feel like you have control of anything. So this is going to give you back that sense of control. You don't have to worry about what you're having for breakfast or for lunch or for snacks, and you're still able to enjoy a meal with your family. It's going to provide you with all of those macronutrients, the carbohydrates, the proteins, the fats, the minerals, the vitamins, and it's going to make you feel like you can control what you're going to eat. We still provide a lot of that support, the behavior modification, helping you recognize those behaviors, helping you change those behaviors so you lose the weight, but more importantly, you'll keep the weight off. So continue to look at our website. Give us a call. We accept most commercial insurance plans. We are doing virtual visits. We're accepting new patients. So together, we'll all get through this.